In this video, I'm going to show you how to start learning Python programming online with the 10-day free trial. All these courses are hosted in a website called pluralsight.com, which is an online course platform with more than 6,500 online courses. And it has got a subscription-based payment model like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Hotstar, where we need to pay a monthly recurring fee to watch the content. In Pluralsight, we should pay $19 each month. That is approximately 1,400 rupees each month to watch and learn the courses. With this subscription fee, you not only get access to learn Python courses alone, but also to the 6,500 online courses which teaches skills like JavaScript, Java, web development, mobile development, AngularJS, SQL, Tableau, Oracle, Big Data, SQL Server, information and cybersecurity courses, and a lot more. And it is not compulsory for you to pay this subscription fee each month. You can cancel the subscription whenever you want. Say for example, if you want to learn Python programming, there are 8 courses on this website which teaches the subject from beginner to expert level, and the total course duration is, for the 8 courses is 29 hours. So if you can learn 1 hour a day, you can complete all the courses in just 29 days, that is less than a month, and you can just cancel the subscription now. So no need to pay the next month fee. You can stop paying by just 1,400 rupees. And moreover, they are also providing a 10-day free trial with a 200 minutes limit to go and check the quality of the courses you want to learn. While signing up for the 10-day free trial, they will ask you to submit your debit or credit card details at the payment method. But don't worry, they won't be charging anything from your debit card, not even a single rupee from your debit card until the free trial expires. At the end of the free trial, they will send you an email reminder to inform to either cancel or continue the subscription. If you are satisfied with the course quality, you can continue learning. They will be automatically charging this recurring fee from your debit card. If not, you can just go and cancel the subscription anytime you want. You can also set reminder on your mobile phone with a lot of Android apps available, and also you can set a reminder in your Google Calendar to inform you about the end of this free trial, so that you can cancel the subscription at the correct time. Alright, so I'm going to show you a live demo with my own debit cards and how to start up a 10-day free trial, how to cancel the subscription in any case if you don't want to continue the subscription, and also how to remove your debit cards from the website in any case if you don't want to leave the debit card details on the website. So what next? First, I will show you how to sign up for the 10-day free trial. Next, I will show you how to cancel the subscription to avoid the monthly recurring fee charged from your debit card. And finally, how to remove the debit card details from the website by deleting the account. So here in the checkout page, I should create an account first to start the 10-day free trial. So I'm going to create an account by entering the first name, my email ID, and also select the country of residence. So after entering these details, just go to the terms of use if you want, and click this checkbox, continue. And next is to choose the payment method. Since most people may not have an PayPal account, I'm going to choose debit card as the payment method here. And here's the reason why they are asking for an payment details here. So to provide a seamless subscription experience, they are asking this, and I signed up for this account on July 1 and my trial expires on July 11th. So I should cancel the subscription before or on July 11 to avoid being charged, and the team will send you a reminder 1 day before the trial ends so that you can just cancel the subscription on time. Alright, so after this, just click on this. So I'm now going to enter my debit card details, my name, my card number, expiration date, CVV number, address attached to the debit card or the bank account, and clicking on review order. So after this, just go through the terms once again here. So they will be automatically charging you $19 from your debit card if you are not going to cancel your subscription on time. they will send you a reminder email as I told earlier in the video, and the trial amount is just $0. Click on purchase. So by now they would have sent an confirmation email to the registered email ID. So now we should set password for the account. So now I'm going to enter my new password and confirm the same. Clicking on save. So now that you can just enter the registered email, enter your password, and start learning the courses you want. Now I'm going to show you how to cancel the subscription at the end of the 10-day free trial if you don't want to continue and avoid being charged for the next month's fee. You can follow the same steps if you want to cancel after learning the courses even after 1 month by paying 1,400 rupees. So let's get started. Just go to the profile section, click on account settings, and choose subscription billing tab here. So it will show you the expiration date and the subscription type here. So since I have signed up for the account on July 1, the expiration date is July 12 here. So upon that, just go and click your manage subscription option here. So as I mentioned earlier, they will send you a reminder email 1 day before the expiration date, right? You can also try setting up a reminder in your mobile phone with different Android apps or the Google Calendar. All right. So now we can see the terms here. If you do not cancel during the trial period, your trial subscription will be automatically converted to a non-trial subscription upon expiration of the trial period. So this will be useful for people who don't want to cancel and continue learning. Right? So the trial conversion price is 19 US dollars. That's approximately 1,400 rupees in our local currency. And now, if you want to cancel and avoid being charged, just go to cancel button here. So now we can just see the terms here and click on confirm cancellation. This will make the trial to be cancelled now, and you won't be charged anything from a debit card in future. All right. So after cancelling your free trial subscription, in case if you want to remove the debit card details or the credit card details from this website, you can do that by deleting the account here. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'll just go to the profile link here, go to profile, account settings. In the settings tab, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can see an option to delete my account, right? So if you click on delete my account, just go through these terms here, click on this, and after scrolling down you can just click on delete now button, or else you can just go to the support here, just send an email to this support@proasset.com to delete your account. They will do it for you. All right, so this is how we can remove your debit card details. So deleting your account will remove all the details from the website, including your debit or credit card details as the payment method. You have to create a new account after that. So I guess by now you will be on this page watching this video, right? And how to sign up for the Python programming classes online within 10-day free trial. So after finish watching this video, just click on sign up for 10-day free trial here, which will take you to this page directly. And next you can just click on the start a 10-day free trial here and follow the steps I have shown you earlier in this video to start a free trial here, like creating an account, entering the credit card details, and other steps here. All right, so happy learning. Bye bye.